You say you left me something. What is it? You don't tell me. I'm gonna lose it. What is it?
It's under the appointment book.
Tam! Girl! No. Hey! Tam! You can't run me over. You can't run me over here. Tamara, no. No, hey. No. Listen. No, you have to... Tamara, no, roll your window down. Roll your window down. Roll it down. Tamara.
For Hawaii.
No, I promised you yesterday I was not going to
Use
charge
it-
you. No, I'm not going to do that.
This is my way of
No.
saying thank
No,
you and I appreciate you.
I appreciate you more than you know it, but I'm your friend.
I am your friend.
I know. Hey,
and I
hey,
need to
look,
do this.
listen.
I need to
I know.
say thank you.
I know. I appreciate you coming to me, Ray, but I want you to have this because I know you need it more than me. No, you do.
Right, no.
You need it more than me right now. I know you do. Take it. If you don't take it, then I'm going to be very sad about it. Take it. You're my friend. And if you're my friend, you will take it.
Now you're upsetting me.
No, take it because I know you need it more than me. I'm serious. I will take care of your pedicure and you can pay me and tip me for that.
All right.
But I need you to take
I'll
that,
save
okay?
it for them.
Okay, save it for your next service.
All right.
All right, I love you, girl.
I love you too.
Take care, okay?